Lalo na pag doon mo talaga ma-appreciate yung contribution ng SSS kapag ikaw ay nagkasakit po. Like, minsan kasi inisip natin, grabe naman, nakalaki naman ng contribution, ganyan-ganyan. Pero guys, pag nagkasakit kayo, doon nyo yan, ako, nung naoperahan ako, if you're new to my channel, I was diagnosed breast cancer 2023. I had my operation last 2023 also. And then re-operation, October of 2023. And then my radiotherapy, that was January to February 2024. Lahat po ng biopsy, lahat ng kung ano-ano pang machine na pinasukan ko, covered po yun lahat sa aking SSS. That is why I am so blessed and thankful to God na dinala niya po ako dito sa Espanya.